Tired of messy drawers and lost supplies? Labels never stick or fade too fast? Searching for files wastes precious minutes daily. Folders, cords, and storage bins all look the same. Kids' school supplies always get mixed up. Office shelves become a guessing game. Home organization feels impossible. You've tried sticky notes. They peel off. Markers smudge and look unprofessional. You want a solution that's quick and lasting. Meet the DYMO Label Maker Machine 100H. Handheld, portable, and easy for anyone to use. Comes with 3 LT label tapes. Start organizing instantly. No more waiting for supplies to arrive. Print clear, durable labels in seconds. Perfect for home, office, or classroom use. Label kitchen jars. No more guessing ingredients. Sort kids' school folders by name and subject. Organize cables and chargers at your desk. Clearly mark storage bins in the garage. Before, messy, unlabeled, chaotic spaces. After, everything's labeled, tidy, and easy to find. Before, searching for files takes forever. After, instantly spot what you need. Before, kids' items get lost at school. After, every item comes home, labeled and safe. The QWERTY keyboard makes typing fast and simple. Lightweight design fits comfortably in your hand. Take it from room to room or desk to desk. No complicated setup. Just power on and go. 3 tapes included, no extra purchases needed. Choose from different tape colors for every task. Labels stick securely and last long. Prints clearly for easy reading. Perfect for labeling files, folders, and binders. Great for teachers organizing classroom supplies. Ideal for busy professionals managing office chaos. Home organizers love it for pantry and closet labeling. No more confusion over whose lunch is whose. Label electronics to avoid mix-ups. Mark important documents for quick access. Keep craft supplies sorted and easy to find. Label toy bins for hassle-free cleanup. Organize your workspace in minutes. Save time every day with clear labels. No more wasted money on lost supplies. DYMO labels stay put. No peeling or fading. Enjoy a clutter-free, efficient environment. Works great for home offices and remote work. Teachers can label books, bins, and student folders. Parents can organize kids' rooms with ease. Small business owners love the professional look. Simple, effective, and reliable every time. No more handwriting labels. Just type and print. Customize label length for any item. Switch between tapes for different needs. Portable. Take it wherever you organize. Effortless labeling saves you stress and time. Amazon offers free delivery for eligible orders. Order today and start organizing tomorrow. No more clutter, no more chaos. Transform your space with one simple tool. DYMO Label Maker. Practical, powerful, and portable. Label everything from files to food containers. See the difference organized labeling makes. Don't let mess slow you down. Get organized and stay organized. Ready to reclaim your space? Click the link and get your DYMO Label Maker now. DYMO Label Maker, organization made effortless. Before it sells out again, hit that link in the description and check it out.